Wow, Mom, this mall is so big!
Yes, dear. Hold my hand.
I want toys! I will show you toys.
Do not go far.
Okay, Mom, we are here. Look at that robot! Let's go there. This toy is so cute. I am going ahead. Noah, wait! Oh no, where is Noah? 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 He is gone! Noah? Noah? I need to tell Mom. I feel scared. Mom, Noah is missing.
What? You left him?
I am sorry.
We must find him fast. You check here!
Okay, Mom.
Noah! Where are you? Please answer!
What happened?
My brother is lost.
We will make an announcement.
Thank you.
A small boy is lost.
I hope he hears it. I feel very bad.
Everything will be okay.
I left his hand.
Be strong now.
Please come back, Noah. I will cry.
What does he look like?
Small blue shirt.
We will help you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I want my mom. I am lost.
Do not cry.
I want to go home more.
Let's go to help desk.
Mom, I heard something.
From where?
From that side. Let's go fast.
Noah! Emma!
Are you okay? I was scared.
My baby! Thank God you are safe.
I am so sorry.
It's okay.
Now everything is fine. Thank you so much. Never leave hands. I promise.
I will not go far.
Good boy.
Today was scary.
But you were brave.
I will be careful.
That is good.
Can we buy toys now? Yes.
Stay together.
Okay, Mom.
Family is important.
Yes, dear. I learned a lesson.
What lesson?
Do not be careless.
Very good.
Take care of family. Yeah!
Let's eat ice cream.
Yes! I want chocolate. Me too. Now we are happy.
Alhamdulillah.
Best day now.
Yay!
Remember the lesson.
Always.
I will be responsible. I am proud.
I will not get lost. Good. We are a happy family. Always together.
We love each other.